Hello and welcome back to Quick Tips. In this video I want to show you a really handy trick using Adobe Express and Adobe Illustrator. First up, here in Express, I'm going to go to my purple plus button, create a simple square graphic. I'm going to go down to Elements and then choose Icons. I'm going to pretend I'm working on a science course, so I'm going to say Science Beaker. And I'm going to look through these until I find one that is not overly complex, something pretty simple that I could easily edit. I like this one right here. I'm going to go ahead and take this and blow it up a little bit. Go to Download, and I'm going to make sure this is in the PDF Print Best for Printing setting, and download. Once I download this, I'm going to go to Open in Illustrator and open my PDF. We're going to make a few simple changes here. The first, if I click on the background, I can push the delete key on my keyboard and remove it. The next, I want to remove this white space right here. And to do so, I'm going to go to my direct select tool, click on the corner point, push delete once and then twice. Next up, I want to change this to look more of a kind of glass color. So I'm going to go back to my selection tool, click on my beaker, and I'm going to go for kind of a gray clear color for now. Say okay. I'm going to select my beaker, and then I'm going to come to Generative Shape Fill. Here, I'm going to type in what I would like. Glass beaker with green bubbling liquid, and then hit generate. And here you can see that it's generated a green bubbling beaker. I don't know if I'm sold on the gray anymore, but I can always select that gray. Go to my eyedropper tool, pick one of the lighter grays from here to match up the color, and now I have a really complex illustration that has come from a simple graphic in Express. That's it for this week. Hope to see you again next week for another quick tip.